Thanks for purchasing the Zen Shield Air. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble it. There's just 4 simple steps and you will have your face shield all ready to go. So the first thing you do, of course, you get the package, is you just want to take a pen or something and open up the package. And this material, this is recyclable. So this is something that you can put into your blue box. And so we just take this out here. Just a couple of notes too. Each of these comes with a code to save $20 of ZenMaker Academy program, an online course for kids, youth, even adults. We have some. So if you do want to take advantage of that, that's the code, Zen Shield Air. And this, of course, is recyclable, the paper as well as the container. Now there's 3 pieces in total. We have the shield, we have strap 1, and we have strap 2. Strap 1 is going to be used for the forehead kind of guide, and this one here is the headband. So the very first step that we do, step 1 of step 4, is we take strap 1 and we take these 5 slots here, and we just insert it into the slots on the shield. So we just grab it and put each one of these in here, and we're attaching this to the shield. Doesn't matter which side of the shield. And we just go ahead and put these little notches into the slots. And once we've done that, we have finished step 1. So that's what it looks like after you've put in these notches. And so step 2 is we're going to now take the rounded portion of this strap 1 and we are going to insert it on the opposite side right into the middle. There's 3 slots, and if we put it in the middle one, that's kind of the one that's probably best for most people. And you just put in this little rounded hook into there, and what this does is it creates kind of a nice comfortable forehead placement for the face shield. If you want it so that there's more space between the face shield and your head, if you want it to be out a little bit further, then you can put it into the other slot that's closest to the edge. And if you want it tighter, you can put it in the remaining slot. So there's some kind of adjustability, but for most people, the middle slot is just fine. Then the next step the third step is to get the spill guard. So the spill guard here, what you do is you just put the tabs on the side, and the one in the middle, tab B, you just put down, and there are some hooks on tab B, and you just take the hooks and you slot them into the flap A and the flap C. So that gives you this nice spill guard that protects you in addition to the front, and this is a full face shield that meets the Health Canada requirements in terms of the size and everything. Plus it gives you the spill guard for added protection. The next thing that we do is we take the headband holder and we take either side with this hook, and there's a rectangular hook and there's a square kind of object as well. So we can put this one in here on the one side, and then we take the other side, and if we want it to be, there's 3 different sizes again. We can either slot in here the rectangular hook, or we can slot in the square hook depending on how tight you want it. So I'm just gonna put the one that's the outer one, the rectangular hook, and we add that in there, and that gives us our headband. So we have our shield, we have our forehead rest, we have the spill guard, and we have the headband. And so now to put it on, I just go like that, and like that, and it's nice and light, feels really comfortable. I can see really clearly. I can still talk on my phone in here. I can move around, and it's fully accessible. And so that is how you put together the Zen Shield Air. It just takes a minute to do. Thanks for watching.